So, Google seemed to have gone all in on the poker table with its AI model Gemini, formerly known as Bard, and it was said that it would be integrated into the Google Messages app. The promise was that the messaging experience could be revolutionized. Think better ways to better compose your messages, or maybe images being identified. The message was that Gemini represents the next frontier in AI-driven interactions. But there's a tiny iota of concern with this, and it relates to user privacy. A report in January 2024 outlined that Gemini would require access to user data like message history and content, and maybe it's a necessary risk. After all, how else could AI grasp the nuances of the way you text, the tone, and your interests? How would it be able to understand the sentiment of messages and tailor responses based on your mood and the dynamics you have with your contacts? But it said that message requests may be transmitted to Bard, processed in the cloud, and may even be subject to human scrutiny anonymously. Now that could be worrisome, because you want to place your trust in an AI, not some anonymous human being working for Google, right? Even if there's end-to-end encryption for message content, this changes the game. So, there's no on-device AI processing, as in the algorithms aren't being executed or run directly on your device. They're sent to servers or cloud-based places. But then again, most generative AI probably has this modus operandi. How confidential and private could user conversations be then? And if stored data is kept for a long time, big reason to worry. Is this the next wave of surveillance capitalism? And maybe it could lead to more targeted advertising. And if Google has unparalleled access to user data this way, does that make this a bigger data Goliath?